Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm Dri-CHEM Slide DBIL-P2. So as you can see, this is the top view and the front view of it. You can see it contains the manufacturing address over here. You can see it is manufactured in Tokyo, Japan, and as you can see, this is the top view of it. You can find it here, the Fujifilm Dri-CHEM Slide DBIL-P2. the code for it is 2550. the expiry is 2024-11, the lot number. As you can see, it is a temperature control product between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the slides present inside are between 10 to 35 degrees Celsius. So you have to maintain it. You can see it is a 24 test pack made in Japan. So this is the other side of it. It's very small, very handy. So let me open this for you. So you can see, so this is the Fujifilm, the dry chemistry one. So let me keep it here. And this is the other pack. I think it contains 12 and this is 12, so total 24. And this is the QC of it. So you can see all these details here. So this is the entire content of the Fujifilm Dri-Chemistry Slide DBIL-P2. It's the code for it, the expiry for it. It's an IVD product. It's a 24 pack made in Japan. These are the dry chemistry slides, and it has a QC film in it. So this is the unboxing of it. Thank you.